The metal ruthenium has a chemical symbol of Ru and is a member of the group 8. It is classified as a transition metal. Transition metals are metals that move from a lower oxidation state to a higher one, often by forming a coordinated complex with another metal. This metal is now one of the most important elements in the modern organic synthesis. The academic community is becoming more interested in this topic. There are 7 distinct isotopes of the chemical element of ruthenium, all of them are stable. The mass number of an isotope is a figure that changes from one isotope to the next because it reflects the numbers of protons and neutrons that are trapped within the nuclei of the isotopes. Ruthenium has an atomic number of 44 and 4 electrons occupy its valence shell. It has been named after the Latin word ruthenia. Some of ruthenium derivatives are ruthenium tetrafluoroborate, ruthenium tetracarbonyl, and ruthenium chloride. It has been 175 years since the discovery of ruthenium. It was first discovered by Karl Karlovich Klaus in 1844. He was a chemist at the Kazan University in Russia. His work on rhodium, platinum, and iridium led to the discovery of this new element. A special committee confirmed the results of Klaus' experiments. However, the priority of his ruthenium discovery was questioned during his lifetime. As a result, the study of ruthenium in Russia ceased for a while. But it was revived again in the 1930s by Orest Eviogintsev. Several chemists, including Jedrzej Znajadecki, claimed to have discovered ruthenium, but their claims were disputed. Others were unable to reproduce the results of Znajadecki's experiments. Ruthenium is a relatively rare metal. It represents 1 part per billion by weight in Earth's crust, and it is often found in conjunction with other platinum group metals. Actually, this metal is extracted from platinum ores. The vast majority of the world's supplies originates from mines located in Soviet Union and Southern America. During smelting processes, ruthenium is separated from other base metals. It has been isolated commercially using a complex chemical process. It is also found in a form known as ruthenium oxide, RuO4. RuO4 is formed in crude platinum ores, which contain and it is then converted into a powder. Ruthenium is a white, shiny, and hard metal. The main properties of ruthenium are its high corrosion resistance, low melting point, and ionization energy. The oxidation state of ruthenium ranges from +1 to +8. In the higher oxidation states, it does not form oxides, but in the lower oxidation states, it does. This makes ruthenium very reactive. These include ruthenium tetroxide, RuO4, which is a highly toxic oxide. The tetroxide has a yellow color and it is a symmetrical molecule. Ruthenium reacts with halogens, such as fluorine, to form ruthenium. Ruthenium is used in various alloys and therapy. However, the application of ruthenium in cancer treatment is relatively new. It is used as an alloying agent and in diagnostic tests. The metal is also used as a plating agent on other metals. Ruthenium is used in an assortment of applications, including olefin metathesis as a catalyst. Several organometallic compounds are formed from ruthenium. These include ruthenides and dichalcogenides. Ruthenium is used in the manufacture of a variety of chemical compounds and electronic devices. These compounds include polypyridyl ruthenium complexes, bismuth ruthenates, thick film chip resistors, redox tags, and anti-cancer agents. Cancer therapy aims to inhibit the formation of cancerous protein. Angiogenesis, often known as the process of generating new blood vessels, is something that may be inhibited with the use of ruthenium complexes. Increasing the integration of ruthenium compounds into DNA may be accomplished by the usage of ruDNA complexes. Ruthenium is administered intravenously as part of chemotherapeutic regimens for the diagnosis of tumors. Ionizing radiation released by decaying radioactive isotopes has been shown to be effective against cancer cells. Using ruthenium as a radiosensitizer, it increases the proximity of the radioactive compound to the cancer cells. Among its many uses, it is a component of an assay to determine the amount of calcitonin in a person's blood. In the other hand, ruthenium is often used for electronic devices.